So Judge Nathan Erasmus has indicated that he intends to wrap up the trial within a trial by the end of this week, with the court expected to rule on the admissibility of crucial statements made by Jacquen, Appollis and Steveno from Rhyn. Now, these statements, which are considered pivotal in the investigation into the disappearance of Joshlin Smith, could significantly impact the direction of the main criminal trial. The case revolves around the disappearance of the child who has been missing for over a year. Newzroom Afrika's reporter Nasiphi Same filed this report.
The trial within a trial of Jacquen, Appollis and Steveno from Rhyn, challenging the admissibility of the statements taken by police, is set to conclude on Friday. The Western Cape High Court has seen several witnesses and heard various testimonies of alleged coercion and torture, with police rebutting serious allegations levelled against them.
I will hear your argument Friday morning, and I will make a ruling in the afternoon or during the course of the day. So when we come back, we know where we're going next week. This is an important part of the case. The admissibility of the statements can make or break this case, one way or the other. I don't know what other evidence the state has, so let's rather be cautious.
The defense says a lot was missed by officers.
My instructions are not that my client was barefoot. My instructions are that he was not wearing shoes.
Not wearing shoes.
Shoes. He was wearing only socks. I put to you, the reason my client was not wearing shoes during the taking of the confession is because his feet were swollen, resulting from the last night's torture. Did you notice?
Ik dra nie kennis van enige aanranding, torture, soos jy dit noem.
My Lord, I bear no knowledge of any assault or torture as you have stated.
In the footage, a visibly struggling Van Rhyn is seen, unable to walk properly, which his defense says is evidence of injuries he sustained at the hands of police.
And on the day of the confession, my Lord, he had handcuffs and he moved in slow motion.
Now, looking at the video, could you see anything that stood out for you?
That's correct. You can see that they even a lump head.
That's correct, my Lord. I see that he has a limp.
But there was a specific way he went down, trying to sit.
I just noticed that now.
Captain, do you realize that this is the third thing we didn't notice for my client? We didn't notice his limping. We didn't notice that he was not wearing shoes. We didn't notice the manner in which he struggled to sit down on that chair.
The defense for Van Rhyn raised concerns, claiming that the officers involved in obtaining the statements were focused more on securing confessions than on the well-being of the accused, and that his injuries were ignored in the rush to gather evidence.
You have no reasons to be concerned about the being of the person you are about to take a confession from. Is that what you are implying?
My opdracht was duidelik en dit was om 'n konfessie van die beskuldigde te kry.
My Lord, my instruction was clear, was that I must take a confession from the accused person.
The trial within a trial continues on Thursday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Nasiphi Same in Saldanha.